Let's make silky avocado linguine with strawberries and tomatoes. Pretty much everything is in season right now, and this gorgeous pasta dish makes use of a lot of it. This isn't quite a no-cook affair, but I can promise 15 minutes of stove time or less. Still, very heatwave friendly. So let's get started. Slice 200 grams of strawberries. I slice mine into medallions. Quarter them if that's what your heart tells you. Next, julienne a third of an English cucumber. Feel free to peel your cucumber if the skin doesn't appeal to you. Cut 1 large or 2 small heirloom tomatoes into wedges and set them aside. Next up, shallots. Coarsely chop 3 of them. These are destined for the food processor, so no sense in getting fancy. The same rule applies to the avocado. Pit and peel these bad boys, then give them a coarse chop. Let's get our pasta going. Fill a large pot with water and place it over high heat. Cover and bring the water to a boil. While you're waiting on the water, place the avocado in a food processor and add 5 peeled cloves of garlic, the shallots you chopped earlier, a huge wad of basil leaves, lemon juice, and a teaspoon of salt. Your water should be boiling by now. Liberally salt the water. I mean it, really let it have it. Add 454 grams of dried linguine to the pot and cook according to the package's direction. Turn on the food processor and slowly stream in a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Blitz until the mixture is very smooth. Transfer it to a bowl and chill until you're ready to dress the pasta. And speaking of pasta, it should be al dente by now. Take it off of the heat and drain it in a large colander. Shake to remove any excess moisture. Return the pasta to the pot and add the avocado mixture. Add another 1/4 cup of olive oil and toss until the noodles are thoroughly coated. Transfer the dressed linguine to a platter. Top the pasta with the tomato wedges, the cucumber, the strawberries, and some drained bocconcini. If this looks like a balancing act, that's because it is. Garnish the finished dish with fresh basil leaves, a sprinkling of chili flakes, and some high-quality finishing salt. And there you go! Silky avocado linguine with tomatoes and strawberries. A nearly effortless, company-friendly pasta dish that won't make you sweat your mascara off. Thank you for following along. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. See you next time.